Why do some AI videos look incredibly cinematic, while others look like cheap video games? The secret isn't the resolution. It is how you paint with light. In Google Flow's prompting framework, lighting controls the emotional register of your scene. It tells the rendering engine how to bounce light and cast realistic shadows. To make your videos look high-end, you must match lighting to your story. Use warm golden hour for nostalgia, or dramatic rim lighting for mysterious silhouettes. Or use practical lighting from a single lamp to make scenes feel intimate. Ready to paint with light? Here are 20 incredible lighting prompts to try today. Studio 3-point lighting. Candlelight.
Candlelight.
Candlelight. Underlighting.
Flickering firelight.
Golden hour lighting. Volumetric light beams. Moonlight. Bioluminescent glow. High contrast silhouette lighting.
Colored gel lighting.
Harsh midday sun lighting. Neon sign lighting.
Overcast diffused lighting. Prism lighting.
Rim lighting. Soft window light. Strobe lighting. Blue hour lighting.
Dappled sunlight.
Practical lighting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit like and subscribe for more tips.